Search for Aternos.org. Click on Play. It will redirect to the login page. Sign up if you don't have an account here. You can use Google account here to sign up. Enter the username. Tick everything and click on Next. Enter the password. And click on Sign Up. Now click on plus Create New Server. This will open a page to create a new server. Change the details if you want to. Click on Create. This is our server. Dashboard. Now go to Options tab. Turn on Cracked option. It will help you to play from cracked versions, for example, T-Launcher. Come back to Server tab. Click on Start. Accept the end-user license agreement. Wait until it solders. Copy the server IP by clicking Connect. Now let's go to Minecraft. Click on Multiplayer. Add server or click on Direct Connection. Paste the IP here. Click on Done. Join the server. As you can see, I am playing at server. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing contents.